Yo, 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 yo. What it do, guys? Check it out. It's your boy. It's your host. It's yours truly, aka Feed Me My Banana, because I'm about to go berserk. Anyways, guys, with all funniness and jokes aside, humor aside, I got another awesome product review for you guys. Now, guys, if you're not familiar with the Red Dragon keyboards, Red Dragon is a company that basically makes a lot of different, an assortment, an array of different types of models of keyboards like this one that you see specifically here in this video. Okay, and they all come in different colors as far as the keys, the space bar, all that other stuff, the look, the design, the base from the sides and everything, okay? Every model comes in different colors. You can get some with like rainbow lit keyboards, green, blue. I've seen them at Fry's Electronics, so I am familiar with Red Dragon. Now, I don't own this one. This one's not mine, folks. But as you can tell here, all the keys are all lit up bright red. Some of them are duller than others because, well, poor lighting or, poor misplacement on the company's part. But other than that, it's an awesome keyboard. Now, this keyboard's hooked up to an older computer, guys. It's a desktop computer, and it's not mine once again. And I don't know how much this keyboard costs, but I'm going to look up the model number for you guys, since I'm going to flip it around and show you the bottom of it and show you the dimensions and all that good stuff. And I'm going to tell you guys what I think of it on a scale of 1 to 10. Okay, so what I think of it initially right now, off the record, it's amazing. Okay, it's cool. It's very easy to hit the keys, very flush. The keys are very easy to the touch, okay? They're not hard to push down. They don't get stuck. They're not jammed. You got the escape key right here. You got F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12. And all the way to the right from there, you got PRT, SC, SCRLK, I believe that's for scroll, and then print. And you got pause, then you got INS, ins, and then you got home. Then you got page up, delete, and page down. Red Dragon branding right here, guys, okay? It's hard to make it out, but you guys can see it right there if I zoom in. Then you got W up, then you got the left, and then the down arrow and the right arrow, so WASD, okay? You got your control key, or control button, or control, what do you call it? The control key, all right, like I said, the key. You got your shift key, FN, return key, which is also enter, and you got all the other keys, all right? From the numbers to the parentheses to the semicolons, the brackets, the question mark, the periods, the commas. Like I said, some of the keys are duller than others, guys. They're not as brightly lit. Then you got the escape key to the top left. Tab, caps lock, shift, control, lock, alt. Okay. And you got the letters right here. And I figured, why not throw out this amazing product review video? Why not? I mean, this is an amazing keyboard. I've seen people use it in my household, and it works great, guys. I mean, it is freaking awesome. So, sorry for the tabletop here. It's not mine either, okay? I'm doing this inside of the garage. But anyways, nice thickly coated cables, okay? Round cables, just your standard round thick cable. I don't know what the thickness is, but it basically plugs into the hard drive here, which I'll show you guys. Okay, it plugs in right here. It's this one. Then it connects down to here, so. Now everything's all tucked in back there. I'm not gonna show you all that, guys. I'm just gonna show you the main thing of this video, which is the keyboard itself, okay? The main, the main attraction of the show, all right, basically. So, there's all the keys, and they're spaced apart fairly well. You know what I mean? I like the way that Red Dragon put this keyboard, this specific model, together. Now, once again, it could be one of their older models, which is fine, guys. I'm sure it still retails at your current Fry's Electronics. You can find it at, well, definitely at Fry's Electronics. Your best bet would be to go to Fry's Electronics, but I'm sure you can find it at places like Walmart, Where else? Walmart. I'm sweating over here because it's a hot day, guys. It's always pretty hot here, but it does get cold too. And you can find it at your other retail stores, but your best bet would be just to go to Fry's Electronics. If you have a Fry's in your area, go to Fry's, okay? Because I've seen all of these at Fry's. They're custom keyboards, basically. So, you know, for the tech-savvy, nerdy type of individuals, or just regular average Joes that just want, you know, that just want to add some pizzazz to their PC, to their laptop or desktop computers, okay? But once again, it's the Red Dragon lead lit keyboard, in my opinion, lead lit. Now I'm going to flip it over and show you what model it is. Now before I do that, I'll show you what the bottom looks like. Weight wise, got some weight to it, guys, decent amount of weight. Okay, not too heavy, but it does have some weight to it. It really does. And I believe it stands right here. Is there a stand for it? No, it just sits plush, it sits flat, okay, on the surface. So there you go. That's what it looks like at the bottom there. On the other side, move some stuff over. Looks like this. Alright, but it's thick. It's a thick keyboard. And on the other side, let's flip it around. Give me a second. Okay. Hold up, guys, I'm just placing it down. Oh yeah, it does have arms that fold out, I'm sorry. Most keyboards do have this feature, okay, and I'm about to show you what the feature is. See these tabs right here? They fold out and they make the keyboard stand, okay? And they quickly snap back into place just as quick as they open, all right? So these tabs fold out and fold inwards. The model here is Red Dragon, and the name of this model is Kumara or Kumara. The model is K552-1. Category is wired mechanical gaming keyboard, so it is a gaming keyboard, but you can use it for a wide array of things. It's rated at 5 volts, 200 milliamps. All right, made in China. Iconic Red Dragon branding right there. Looks really sweet, guys. I do like it. And like it implies, it's a gaming keyboard. It can be used for gaming consoles or gaming, not gaming consoles, gaming PCs like Alien. If you guys haven't heard of Alien, I've also seen the Alien at Fry's Electronics. Red Dragon, you know, PCs, anything high tech from the modern age, okay? Anything that you've seen now at Fry's Electronics or at most stores, this would more than likely be compatible with. I may be wrong, guys, but always check with the website. I believe is www.reddragon.com, because I don't have the box to this product, and I do apologize. But basically, you can fold these open as such, and right here. That's a little vented right here in the bottom corners to let the air out. All right, that's cool. It uses Phillips hardware from what it seems like. Okay, and it has a simple, well, it's attached right here. You can't detach this from what I see. No, this isn't detachable, but it attaches into the hard drive like this. So, and this is an older hard drive. It's, you know, not a hard drive that I'm going to be reviewing, guys. It's an older computer. But this is a more modern item right now, a more modern thing nowadays for people who want to, you know, customize their PCs, all right, especially their desktop PCs. Now let me flip it back over again. I don't want it to mess up while I'm flipping it, guys. Hold up. All right, and now it actually sits up a little bit higher, as you can tell, guys. It actually works better with the tabs folded out. Okay, now it's standing on the tabs, if you can tell. I'm standing on the tabs. Well, you can't really tell, but I thought you guys could. Anyways, so basically this is the Red Dragon Kumara or Kumara custom lead lit keyboard, all right? Once again, compatible with most of your high-tech, high-end desktop computers and laptops as well. But if you're using a laptop, I don't think you'd want to get one of these. This is mainly a desktop keyboard, okay, for a desktop computer. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this product review. It's awesome. I like it. You know, I'm not going to show you stuff on the computer screen here. This is an older computer anyways, and it's not mine, but you got everything here. And like I said, the keys are plush. Okay. Very easy to touch. They're not hard. Doesn't require a lot of pushing down or force, okay? You can accidentally, you know, push down two of them if you really try. See? So be mindful of that. Other than that, guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, I give it an easy 9. 9 to a 9.5 in my opinion. All right, I normally don't use a scale to rate things. I just recently started doing that, something new. When I first started on YouTube, I didn't do that. But other than that, folks, it's a great keyboard. It really is. I know people that have them, okay? I used to have a friend that I was friends with that had one, and he still does, I'm sure, and he loves it. So what can I say? Hands down, it feels good when you push on the keys. They're easy to push down. It's got a nice ergonomic feel to it. As you can tell, I have pretty big hands, and you know, well, you can line your fingers up right here to type, okay? All the keys work good, all right? And they're easy. There you go. All right, once again, Red Dragon, Kumara, and I will leave the model number in the title, under the title description, okay? And I will leave more information in the title as well. All right, guys, as well as the model number and the make and all that, okay? So take care, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this product review of the Red Dragon. Once again, the Red Dragon Kumara or Kumara lead lit keyboard, okay? Take care, guys. Gorilla Tech is out. Peace, y'all. Much love and happiness. I will be coming out with more unboxings and reviews, so stick around. Catch y'all later. Peace, guys.